In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily get My AI on Snapchat. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Snapchat app, and then all you have to do is just hit at that chats icon to get into your chats, and that's where you can easily find My AI at the very top. You can just tap on it. Now it says that My AI is an experimental chatbot, and to be able to use it, all you have to do is just hit at accept. If you don't see that My AI conversation right here at the top of your charts, that probably means that you need to update your Snapchat app. So just hop out Snapchat, go to App Store or Google Play, then search for Snapchat, just like that, and then if this button says update, like in my case, just tap on it to get the latest Snapchat app version. After that you will be able to open up Snapchat app and get My AI. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial, hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.